Hi, so in this demo we are going to make our LLM communicate with an MCP server, and that MCP server gives it the ability uh, to make some calculations and also to uh, draw some shapes in a Paint app. For the Paint app, we are going to use a Chrome plugin that we created, and this you can see this Chrome plugin. It's a Paint app. It's a good approximation for that. We can draw rectangles over here. We can also add text over here, right? So, and it's also connected to a server. So what is this server over here? So in order for some processes to communicate with this Chrome plugin, we are going to provide a node server here. So you can see that this node server was connected to the Paint Chrome plugin right now, and we were able to add text to it. So this is connected to the Chrome plugin using WebSockets. So yeah, let us see. So see, you can see it is disconnected from server. So let's just keep the server on, and it will again be connected to the server. Now we have given the information in our prompts to the LLM about what capabilities it has, and you can see that we are uh, giving it a system prompt which says that you are a math agent solving problems and you have access to various tools. Then finally we will ask it uh, the query that we had in talk to MCP. We'll ask it to find the sum of exponentials of these values and then draw a rectangle and display the result inside it. So let's see what happens when we run talk to MCP. So see, it was able to draw a rectangle and display the result inside it. Let us go through the logs real quick. I'll just maximize the panel size for the terminal. Yeah, so in iteration 1, this was the first prompt that we sent it, and we gave it the current query over here, asking it to draw asking it to calculate the sum of exponentials and then draw a rectangle. Then the LLM response was to make a function called calling strings to character to int. Then in iteration 2, we gave it the current query, and we also gave it a context of what the past steps were. So the LLM then knows that it has to calculate the exponential sum next. Then in iteration 3, the query again increment, we send it an incremented query which has completed the steps, got ASCII values, calculated exponential sum, and we also passed it that the calculated result was this. So then the LLM asks our MCP agent to draw a rectangle, and finally in the last iteration uh, we have also updated the query, and uh, it knows that it has drawn the rectangle now based on this context. And so in the end, it asks to add text, and it also is able to carry over the result into it. And at this point, we are able to end the discussion with the LLM.